Hi, welcome to Reypurposed Made, where I, Reinaldo, show you the ins and outs of some of my furniture projects. I try to always incorporate art into the furniture making process so that each finished piece is custom and one of a kind. Check out how I do it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see what's coming up next. Are you tired of all the Zoom calls you have to do for work and for fun? It's like half of your day. You're probably one of those people who just keeps the camera black the whole time, don't you? I mean, who really wants to get all dressed up just to sit down in a house? Well, I can't help you with any of that, but I can make your background look a little bit cooler. As you might have seen from previous projects, I'm really into the Kaboom shape right now. I did a Kaboom shape with epoxy, a Kaboom shape with splatter art, and now it's time for Jennifer's Kaboom shape with hard edge painting. The reason why I like this Kaboom shape so much is because it is the most unique, the most dynamic shape you can think about. More than a square, rectangle, circle, triangle, oblong. It is the most interesting shape because it has so many different peaks to create different themes in different areas. And that's exactly what I did when I did the hard edge design. I created zones first to see what can be done as far as patterns in certain places. And it allowed me to create a little crown in one of the corners for Jennifer when she's in front of the piece. When I very first started talking to Jennifer about doing this project, I was in New Orleans and she told me, oh, she loves New Orleans. She has roots there. She was actually visiting New Orleans 3 weeks after I was leaving. And I thought it would be cool if I could somehow find a way to incorporate some New Orleans-ness into the project, whether in design or something else. And then that idea kind of like fell away when I was like just doing the hard edge. But when I was laying all the tape down to like do the pattern, I noticed that the way I laid the tape down, it kind of looked like a canal going through streets or going through a city. And I said, well, if that's the canal, then that means that over there is Lake Pontchartrain, and then over there would be the Mississippi River. So voila, it just happened on its own that I was able to find areas to like incorporate some like New Orleans into the project. And it's like kind of a little thing between me and her because you don't see it like right away. I love it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Stick around, there is a little bit more, but I want to take this time to actually like, share, subscribe, follow my videos. You can click on the little bell at the bottom so you'll know when I drop a new video every Wednesday. And if you want to see more of my work, keep in touch, or have your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you. Now keep watching. This is actually the second project I'm making for Jennifer. The first project I made for her was my very first multifunctional, super cool desk that had more than like 6 or 7 like different uses. She came all the way up from DC to pick it up and drove back down. And when she moved to Chicago, she made sure she took that desk too and called on me to do some more stuff for her. This isn't even the only project I have for her now. I have 3 other projects that you guys will soon see as well. But I just want to really highlight the cool desk that I made for her because it is super dope.